Hello everyone, right, if you remember a few months back I showed you how to install the radio programming software Chirp onto a Puppy Linux operating system, and I've actually found possibly an easier and perhaps for some more preferable way to do it. So simple as this, it's an Appimage. Okay, so go to this site. I'll include the link in the description below. Okay, and in my case I want the x86-64 Intel AMD chip running a 64-bit operating system. Now the thing with Appimage is they should be pretty much universal across distributions. I only run this particular distribution, so I cannot say for all of them, but certainly on this one it seems to work. Now, I've not installed it on this computer before, so you will see it as I do. So basically you just go to the link, okay, that one, and we should see inside this little repository here, that's the one we want, 58.7 megabytes worth. So let's download that, shouldn't take too long. Okay, so that's done. Let's go to the containing folder. Now we can get rid of that. Now what you've got to do with these app images, first of all I will move it to my chosen location, which is going to be OPT. Okay, so I will move that to OPT. All right, and all you've got to do basically, you can either follow the couple of command line prompts that are on the site, or all I do is right click on it, okay, go down to permissions, and you've got to make it executable. Okay, so that will do. Make it executable, and all I do now is I just drag it across onto the desktop and click it. It does say on the download site it will take a time to load, especially this computer is not the fastest one in the world, so fingers crossed it will actually do it as I'm here with you now. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. And there we go. I thought I was going to do it then. So let's agree to that. Now on my particular distribution, this desktop icon thing doesn't work, so I will choose no to that. And it will take a little bit more time to actually start to function, but this one is now up and running, and it's the standard Chirp arrangement, okay? All this type of stuff. And hopefully with the Linux-based distributions, you're not going to get the same thing as you get with Windows, trouble with those pesky drivers. So that's that. Now you can tidy this up a bit as well. We can run it from the command line if we don't want to run it from your desktop. Edit item, okay, so we can put something a little bit more attractive in there as a... I don't think we even need the next here. Let's just add Chirp. Okay, so that's now called Chirp. Now what we can do is set icon, and you can put any sort of icon you want in there, but I've actually found the icon from the other install, and I've put that in downloads. So I've got Chirp ICO icon, and what I've done in my OPT folder to keep things neat, I've actually created a library of icons for these various portable and app image type apps that I've installed on this computer. So I'll just drag that across, move it to there, just to keep it all in one place in my little image library. And then all I will do now is just drag that down into there, close that down, and we have your little Chirp icon. So there we go. I have tested it on the other computer. If I get any problems with this one, I will let you know. But if not, that's how you do it. Nice and easy.